Wolf AC here. This is my EDC video. What I'll do is I'll just run through a few things that I carry with me every day. We'll start with this little item, which is my Anglo Arms little pocket knife. About a year and a half. As you can see, it's pretty well worn. Yeah, I use it for opening boxes. I'm an engineer, so I use it for cutting cables as well. Does have a little knife on the back there. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, just in there. Get to focus. Somewhere like that. You can see, you know where it is. It's in there. Yeah, you just press that down, that falls down. Yeah, Anglo Arms. Wasn't very expensive. Does the job. That's that one. Next, we have just a cheapo from basically, was it Aldi's or Lidl's? I can't remember now. I think it was Aldi's. It's just a LED torch. It's pretty bright. It does a job. I think it has a zoom in, zoom out. There's no strobe on this, unfortunately. Would have preferred a strobe on it, because that can be quite handy, especially if you're being attacked or anything like that in the street. You know, shining that in someone's eyes is definitely going to deter them. So yeah, again, it's worn. I've had that about 3 months now. Yeah, that's that one. Next I have a G-Shock watch. Not sure what model this is. It was less than 100 quid, so it's not the top of the range model, but again, serves a purpose, tells the time, there's a stopwatch on it, etc. I quite like it. I've had this a couple of years now. Thinking about getting another one anyway, but yeah, it's alright. Yeah, it does the job. Yeah, that's that one. This knife here is basically what I mainly use for cutting cables at work. It's a DeWalt. It's quite handy. It fits in the pocket really well. It's got a clip on the back. Yeah, again, really good knife. Yeah, by DeWalt. You've probably seen them about. I think they have different models, different types, but yeah, that's that one. Don't always carry this in my pocket, obviously, only for work. That tends to go in my pocket. Next, this is a must. I would highly recommend this to people. This is basically a criminal identifying spray. Spray this in someone's face. That is potentially going to stop them in the tracks, basically. And yeah, never had to use it yet, but obviously working down in London, just feel a little bit safer having that on me. You never know, especially with what's been going on down there. Hopefully this probably would deter them. Gives you a chance to sort of spray this and then run away, get away from them as quickly as possible. These are sold on eBay. You can see them on eBay. Forget what I paid for these now. But I think I got 3 tins for about 20 quid, or less than 20 quid. Which, yeah, why not? Just don't fool around with these, because yeah, basically it takes a long time to get that paint off your skin. Yeah, that's that one. Anyway, again, I have another little generic torch. Nothing too fancy. LED. If I remember right, this has different zoom in, zoom out. Again, it's not a strobe. I do have a strobe light. It's a bit too bulky, but I don't tend to carry that one. This came from Screwfix. Screwfix sell these. Pretty cheap. It was about 4 or 5 quid, if I remember right. And then there's my wallet. I'll just keep my cards, bit of cash. I don't carry too much cash in here. Did come with a chain. I've taken that off. I do have my keys on that, on the chain, which I'll show you. That's the basically the chain that came with that, but I'll keep that separate now. Work van keys. These are just basically keys, obviously, to do with work. And yep, that's that one. And then, if I can find it, yeah, I do have another set of keys, but I'm not going to include that in my EDC, but it'll be basically my house keys. Basically, that's all I carry. I don't really carry a lot else. I've actually bought a 26-inch, I believe, baton. But obviously I can't carry that for the law reasons. As you know, we're not allowed to carry them in the UK, but yeah, that's pretty much what I carry. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Many thanks. Over and out.